Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making vegetable upma. To make vegetable upma, here I have some onion, green chilli, ginger, potato, carrot, tomato and some green beans, some curry leaves. First of all, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet and heating on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and some cashews. Give them a stir. Now add the green chilli and ginger. Stir it once and add curry leaves. I'm also adding a red chilli for a good flavor. Now adding the onions. Stir the onions for a minute and then add the carrot, potato and beans. Stir these vegetables for a minute. Now add the tomato and stir it again. Add some salt and stir it again. Whenever you make upma with Sooji rava, try to add more vegetables because you need more fiber to this upma because the Sooji is refined rava. Stir the vegetables for a minute and add 2.5 cups of water. Add some salt. I also added some salt when the vegetables are cooking. Now cook it covered until the water boils. Once the water started boiling, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and stir it. Now bring down the flame to low flame and add the Sooji rava while you are stirring with the other hand. I added 1 cup of rava for 2.5 cups of water. Once the rava came together, keep it in the low flame and cook it covered for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the upma looks good. It is cooked well. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Don't be shy to add ghee, especially when you are making upma with Sooji or Semolina, which is a refined carbohydrate. You should add some fat and fiber. You can also add some protein like peanuts and soaked soya beans so the blood sugars won't spike. Mix it well and serve it hot with any chutney, or you can enjoy just like this. Thank you for making your upma little healthy, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page and also visit my Telugu channel.